everyone, welcome to my new series on Linux commands. Myself Arnab Kundu. Okay, today in this video I will guide you step by step through Linux commands using Ubuntu terminal in WSL. Right? WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. It allows us to run Linux commands directly on Windows. Okay, so I will start with the basics and gradually move to more advanced Linux commands. Okay, so let's dive in. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss Linux commands using Ubuntu terminal in WSL. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. It allows us to run Linux commands directly on Windows. Okay, so let's start by opening our Ubuntu terminal. Okay, so now I'm just within the Ubuntu terminal and here I will write Linux command step by step, right? So at first we write first command pwd, which actually displays the current working directory. Okay, so if we press enter, so it shows /home/Arnab. So this is actually in my system its current working directory. Okay, the next command is that just write here cal. So cal is actually displays the current month's calendar. So if you press enter, it shows September 2025 because I shot this video in the month of September 2025. Okay, that's why it shows the month September 2025. Right, now the next command is date. It actually displays the current date and time. Okay, if you press enter after that, so it shows Saturday September 20 and then the time. First is the hour, the minute, 17 hour, 52 minutes and 50 seconds, and IST, Indian Standard Time, and the year is 2025. Right, the next command is that we can clear our terminal using clear, this particular command. Right, just press enter, so it will clear the all the command whatever we execute previous. Okay, and it clears the terminal. Okay, the next command is that suppose we want to make a directory, actually directory or folder, the same thing. So we can create the directory using the command mkdir and then put the particular directory name. Suppose put the directory name is Arnab. Okay, and press enter, so it create already. How to see? Just press ls. So ls is actually the command which actually displays the listing file and directories. Actually in Linux everything is treated as a file. It is a ordinary file, is a image file, or it's a device file, or it's a any type of directory file. Everything is treated as a file. If we execute this ls command in Linux, so it shows all listing files and directory. So if we press enter, so it shows the everything, and just given Arnab an example, these two are the directory because the color is blue, and some part there is a green. These are actually the executable file, and the other file is that which are actually the ordinary file. Okay, so whatever the directory we already create in my current directory is concerned, just show here. Okay, now if you want to go that particular directory, then just write cd. It's actually used for the change directory. So cd and then just write Arnab and press enter. Just see after Technical Arco the given /Arnab. So now I am just within the Arnab directory. Okay, and if we want to go again the previous directory, so just write cd, give a space and then ... and press enter. So again come back to the previous directory is concerned. Right, and for ls is concerned, suppose we write here ls space minus L and press enter, actually it shows all the listing file and directories with some attributes. And just see, there is a given total 116, right? Actually it means that it shows the 116, it does not means the 116 files, means 116 files, not like that. Okay, so actually all the files in the directory together take up 116 disk blocks of space. That's why it shows total 116. Okay, and then the first column, it shows the type of file and the permission. Whatever the directory, the file type given D, and all of the hyphen given as a ordinary file is concerned. And this particular file is given in that color. Why? Is ordinary file but have the execution permission, that's why X is given. So I will later discuss about this permission. Actually the permission is only 3 types: read, write and execute, and have these 3 different categories. One is owner, group and other. I will discuss later. Okay, and next one is the link. This actually the hard link actually concerned. Hard link is like giving another name the same file. Okay, and then the name of the owner given, then of the group is given, then the size of the files, because everything treated as a file, whatever is a directory file or is ordinary file, this is size given in the bytes, and then when it modified, so this is given the modification date and time, and then shows the name of the file, is a directory file or it is a ordinary file or is a executable file is concerned, right? So ls space minus L is gives in that way, it listing file and directories with attributes. The 7 attributes actually are there: 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, clear the terminal, so just write clear, press enter, and now given ls space minus L and then put minus A, it actually shows all the hidden files also. Okay, and press enter, just see the extra file is already given to there, like that dot cache, dot landscape, dot local. Okay, now for the next command is that we want to remove the directory. So we already create this Arnab, just see. So if we remove that, just write rmdir and then just write Arnab and press enter, and then we clear the terminal, and then we just write here ls space minus L. Just see, there is no Arnab, this directory file is there, means we remove this directory file. Okay, now we use the another command is touch. Command is used to create empty file. Okay, so just write in that way touch, and then suppose write a file name, suppose hello.txt is a text file, and press enter. Okay, so just see ls, it shows hello.txt should be there, hello.txt, right? Now if you want to write within that file, we use echo, this command here. If we want to write something within that file, then we use the echo, this command. In that way, echo, and then suppose write in that way, within double quote write technical arquen, then double quote close, then put greater than, and then the file name hello.txt and press enter. Okay, and now if you want to display the content of the file, then just use this command cat, and then just use the file name hello.txt and press enter. It shows within that file just written technical arquen. Okay, now suppose you want to modify the file, means we append something, then we also use this echo, because echo is one way used for to write within a file and also to append it also, and also the echo command is used to display within the terminal also. Okay, so at first we append it, just write echo and then suppose write Arnab and then double quote close. Now we use 2 double greater than, and then write the file name hello.txt. Now it append this line also. Again we just display the content, so just write cat hello.txt, just see contain 2 lines, technical arquen and then okay. And now I already told echo is also display within the terminal in that way. Echo, just write technical arquen double quote enter, also display within the console. Okay, so echo command can use in 2 way. One way it is used to write within a file or to append within a file, and also display within the terminal, right? I hope you have understood today's video. I just start with very basics and gradually move to more advanced Linux commands in my upcoming videos. Okay, so if you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, because more Linux command series will come very soon. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.